साध संगत जी सारे जाने गज के फतेह बुलाओ वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा वाहिगुरू जी की फतेह. First of all, I want to start off with thank you. Thank you to everybody that has shown up today. Thank you to notable people that are here. We have civil rights advocate Dolores Huerta that has joined us. And all of my colleagues and Senator Ana Caballero, Assemblymember Soria, our Mayor Steinberg, for those amazing, amazing speeches that they just made. And thank you to Jagara Nandi for putting and organizing such an amazing, amazing march. 300 mil turke aaye ne sare to make it known here. 350 plus miles we have walked from Bakersfield all the way to Sacramento to make sure that this building, government here knows who we are, what we are about. We are not terrorists. We're Sikh Americans. We are people that have fled persecution. 40 saal pehla aisi din the Indian government called for the annihilation and to destroy the Sikh community. 40 years ago today, they went on the radio, they went on the television, and they said, kill as many Sikh people as you want, law enforcement will do nothing.
Shame, shame, Indian government!
What happened at that time? They tried to erase. They tried to say nothing happened in 1984. What are you talking about? Ginti da, they cut down the numbers of people that were reported. Ajay vi minu unna di chika sundiyan sade pehna sade prava जिन्हां नूं खिच के बाहर लेके आए. They burned them alive, raped the women. In 4 to 6 days they killed we all know, on the upwards of hundreds of thousands of Sikhs. So many were murdered within that time. And the Indian government said, go ahead and destroy the community. We don't need them anymore. There's no need, there's no purpose for the Sikh identity anymore. How can that be said about my identity? How can that be said about anybody's identity? We are the people that protected the vulnerable, the people that could not stand up in India. We protected everyone. For us, you won't hear the word Sikh phobia. You will hear the word, and the actual word, which is xenophobia. The anti-Asian hate that is happening to every single community in the Asian community. And for you to make a comment that it's only about your hate is denying the hate of all other communities. We will not tolerate that. When I became elected, and I became the first Sikh American elected to state office, I knew that this was the opportunity to make sure that what happened in 1984 was not a pogrom or a riot, but it was recognized for what it exactly was. It was a genocide to destroy our community, to destroy our identity by the Indian government, and it is still happening today. Still. Still today, there are efforts to destroy our community. Why? The Sikh community is very small. Our numbers are small. We are a minority amongst the world. Why do we have to be destroyed? What happens to our identity? What happens to the future of our community? And I have something to announce today. Something I had not told the press yet. I was waiting for this moment. Because this march, this movement did something. It created that spark of awareness that was needed. And I'm very proud to announce that with the co-authorship of Senator Ana Caballero, Assembly Member Esmeralda Soria, we will be bringing back the transnational repression bill first week of January with an urgency clause to go straight to the governor's office. TNR is not gone. Transnational repression is still happening. And one thing is, ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਧੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਖੜੀ ਆ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਹਟਣਾ ਨਹੀਂਗਾ ਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਉਸ ਦਿਨ ਹਟੀ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਹੁਣ ਹਟਣਾ ਆ because my identity is being threatened. I am so proud of my identity as Sikh American. I am so proud of every single person that has shown up today. You make the work here important. If your voices are not heard, we would not have been able to make sure that that bill gets brought back, and with an urgency clause. My community of Sikh means we protect all. We, after 9/11, when our community was labeled as terrorists, what did we do? We didn't say, oh no, we're not Muslim, don't tell, no. Our statement was, condemn terrorists, not turbans. Don't condemn Muslims or any other faith. We are accepting of everyone because we are the protectors of everyone. And I will end with this. I am so proud to be standing here, so thankful to all of my colleagues that have joined me. We are definitely not alone, Mayor Steinberg, and we will not be alone, and our fight will continue. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki